Once you've installed learning tools on a student's tablet for OneNote, you're going to see in the toolbar there are two new tools available to the student. There's something called the Immersive Reader and also a dictation option. What the Immersive Reader does is it will read any text that is on a page in front of the student in OneNote, and it will read it back to that student. So you can see right now I'm looking at a document that originally was a PDF and was inserted by my teacher. And when you insert a PDF like this, it actually inserts it as an image. However, this Immersive Reader is able to convert this image into actual words, and there are voices built into this program that will read all of this text back to the student. So students with different learning needs can get anything that is on their screen actually read to them if necessary. So to give an example, I'm going to be on this page and I'm going to click Immersive Reader, and when you click on Immersive Reader it actually changes the format of what it originally looked like. And you're going to see, if you scroll down, this is a rather long reading passage, you will see the entire text of that document now converted and ready to be read to me. Up at the upper right hand side there are a few options that you can change. Over here, when we click on this, I'll be able to change the voice speed, and I'll also be able to change who is reading this back to me. By default, it will be this David person. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the word that you want to start reading with, and then you will click on the play button.
Directions: read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Refer to the text to check your answers when appropriate.
So you'll see it will make pauses when it finds punctuation. If you would like to change the person, as I said before, you can change this to a female, and you also have the ability to change the speed.
Appropriate. The day after Thanksgiving is the start of the holiday shopping.
In addition, you also have the ability to change some text options. So everybody has a different visual learning aptitude. So if they need to change the font size, they can make the font larger. They can also change the spacing between all of the letters. So if this is an easier way for somebody to follow, they can do this as well. They can change the font, and they can also change the background. So if white is a little bit too daunting for somebody, there are some other color options where they can change the background a little bit. So those are some other features that they have available. The one last feature that you can change when you're in this Immersive Reader is you can click on this tool and actually have Immersive Reader pick out nouns. It will highlight any nouns, or you could do verbs and it will do it in different colors, adjectives, and you have syllables and comprehension as well. Now, it's not perfect. This is still a tool that's in its infancy, but it can be a very powerful tool for those students who need it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the Dictation Tool, which will allow the person who needs to read something and have it already typed for them. There's a little tool in there that will do that for them as well.